guys, Ben Smithson here with Smithson Speed and Engineering. So coming at you on this fabulous Friday, we're going to show you how to tear down a small block Chevrolet. Pretty cut and dry here. 65 model 327, small General motor out of this car, 32 Chevrolet Coupe. So the problem is we're having a lot of valve train issues, and we've tried a bunch of different things, can't figure out the root cause, so we just figured we'd pull it out, tear it apart, do a deep dive, and figure out what's wrong with this thing. So here we go. So as you can tell, we got this thing torn down to just the block. We found out, unfortunately, what happened to one of the rod bearings. So as you can tell when you were watching, we kind of took this thing apart systematically, and as we put everything back down, you know, we put it back exactly the way it came out of the engine. Not that we're going to reuse all these parts, but we might be able to reuse some, and it's good to know when diagnosing what's going on, where it came from. So there you go, guys. Y'all have a good weekend.